Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants Part 2 Biology for Class 7th. If you see around you, you will find a brick wall, right? So you have probably seen that brick wall placed one above the other help in construction of building. Can we say that these bricks are the building block of this wall? Or we can compare bricks with cells. If we say the bricks made walls and cell made tissue, likewise walls made room and tissue made organ, and rooms make house and organ make body, right? We can compare the bricks with cell. In this picture you can clearly see that group of cell make tissue, tissues form organ, many organ form organ system, and organ system form whole body. We can say that a cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Parts of typical cell. As we know that cells are the building blocks of life, cells are of two types, plant cell and animal cell. So it is clear that plants are made up of plant cell and animals are made up of animal cell. Various parts of plant cell are cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, chloroplast and nucleus. Likewise, various parts of animal cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So let us see each part in detail. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is present in both plant cell and animal cell. The function of plasma membrane is to enclose the living material called cytoplasm, right? And what is the function of cytoplasm? Again, cytoplasm is a living material between the nucleus and the plasma membrane, right? Then what is nucleus? Nucleus is the center of the cell, or we can say it is a brain of the cell. One more structure you can see here, chloroplast. So remember, chloroplast is a site where the photosynthesis occurs. Because of the chloroplast, plants synthesize their own food by the process called photosynthesis. In plant cell, there is a cell wall present. It is the outermost covering above the plasma membrane which protects the plant cell. On other hand, in animal cell, the outermost covering is cell membrane, right? The cell membrane encloses the living material called cytoplasm, and cytoplasm is a living material that is present between the nucleus and plasma membrane. Nucleus is again, it is a center of a cell and act as a brain of a cell. So the basic difference between the plant cell and animal cell are, in plant cell, cell wall is present, in animal cell, cell wall is absent. Another difference is, in plant cell, chloroplast is present, but in animal cell, chloroplast is absent, which is a reason for animal do not perform the process of photosynthesis like plant do. If you remember, this representation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 6 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight at the site of chlorophyll gives rise to the glucose and releases oxygen into atmosphere. So how does this photosynthesis occurs? Let us see in detail. Sunlight falling on the leaves is absorbed by the chlorophyll as solar energy. This solar energy helps to split water molecules into hydrogen and hydroxyl radicals, which is highly reactive. So oxygen from this OH group, right? So oxygen from this OH group releases into the atmosphere, and this remaining hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide gives glucose. So in this way the photosynthesis occurs. How do plants use their own food? We know that the food made by green plant is in the form of simple sugar. and plant uses the food to get energy. Plant uses energy for its own growth. And extra food is stored in the form of starch. For example, in sugarcane, potato, spinach, mango, carrot and lettuces. To show that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. So here is a setup for performing the process called photosynthesis. This setup contains beaker, inverted funnel and inverted test tube, which is filled with water and a pond weed. This experiment generally performed in the presence of sunlight. Right? So when this pond weed, which is a plant, uses the sunlight and perform the process called photosynthesis, it releases the oxygen. This oxygen collects in the tip of inverted test tube. When we bring this test tube near the flame, it enhances the burning. This shows the presence of oxygen, which released during the process called photosynthesis. Synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. We have just learned that plant prepare food in the form of carbohydrates through the process called photosynthesis. We know that carbohydrates are combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But plant also contain proteins. Proteins are nitrogenous substance and also synthesized in plant. To synthesize the protein in plant require nitrogen, but they cannot absorb atmospheric nitrogen directly. So there are two ways so that plant get nitrogen. First, by the soil that contain bacteria like rhizobium, which converts the atmospheric nitrogen into water soluble compound. Plant absorb this compound along with the water through roots. Another way to get the nitrogen is farmer adds fertilizer and manure which is rich in nitrogen to the soil, which are then absorbed by the plants. Significance or importance of photosynthesis. Plant prepare food by the process called photosynthesis, and this plant in turn eaten by animals including human. For example, here we can see this monkey is eating banana, cow is grazing grass, and this bunny is feeding on carrot. So this all are the plant products. Another example for the significance of photosynthesis is oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide oxygen balancing. For in this picture we can see that the presence of free oxygen in the atmosphere is a result of photosynthesis, but no animal can survive without this oxygen because this oxygen is needed for respiration, right? So we can say photosynthesis provides oxygen for respiration. In the same picture we can find out there is a balancing between the oxygen and carbon dioxide, right? All human beings inhale oxygen from the atmosphere through the process called respiration and releases or expels the carbon dioxide out, which is absorbed by the plant to perform photosynthesis. In this way, the carbon dioxide and oxygen balance in the atmosphere.